Hello and welcome. This is Bijan Hushiar. The alternative to repl.it to use Python is this site. The address that you need to type in the address search bar is shown in here. https://www.jdoodle.com. When you get to this page, you're going to see the login. Click on it. If you already have an account, you log in. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up. Signing up is very easy, providing an email address of your choice and a password of your choice to create an account with the site. I have already created an account, so when I go to the address that I just showed you, I can log in. I have already logged in. So suppose that you created the account, you set up the account, and you have logged in. You see the same page. In here, in order to start writing Python codes, all you have to do is click on Start Coding. This window is going to open up. In here, you have to tell what type of programming language you want to use. If you click on it, a drop-down menu is going to show. Slowly scroll down to see Python. It's very easy to pass it. So I'm going to use Python 3 programming. Then this window is going to open up. By default, a random name is going to be given to the file. I'm going to call it my second file because I already have my first file called my second. You name it according to the activities that you are assigned to complete. Then you click on Start Coding. Suppose that you already have a file saved. You click on Open My Project. I'm going to show you that. I click on Open My Project. For that, I have to select the Python as the programming language also. When you click on it, all the files that you've already worked on are going to be displayed. I've already created a file called My First. So in order for me to open it up, I have to click on this arrow. And then the file opens up. I only had one command in it, which I can execute it and see the result. The result is displayed in here. Now let's go back to the page and start the file from scratch. Okay, I want to go back to the main page, start coding, and then call it my second, select the programming language, start coding. This page is going to open up. These commands are going to always be displayed. Just get rid of them and start coding by putting your own commands. For example, print, hide, exclamation. Okay, and then press it. You can add other codes as well depending on the lab that you're doing. If you want to run it, you click on execute. You're going to see the result in here. That's how you use this alternative for Python programming. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you found it informative, please don't forget to recommend it to others who may be interested. Thank you.